In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add advanced search on LinkedIn using the mobile app. To start off, it's important to mention that while LinkedIn's job search features on mobile aren't as robust as those on the web browser version, there are workarounds that can enhance your job-seeking experience on the go. So let's dive in and explore how we can use advanced search on LinkedIn Mobile to effectively find job opportunities. First, you'll want to open your LinkedIn mobile app. With the app launched, direct your attention to the search bar at the top. This is your gateway to discovering a variety of job-related content. Next, type in the kind of job you're interested in. As an example for today, we'll search for virtual assistant. Once you've entered your query, you'll notice several categories of results appearing directly. You'll be presented with a list of available virtual assistant jobs, which is the primary goal. But that's not all. You'll also have access to posts as well as relevant companies and people associated with virtual assistant positions. This can be incredibly helpful in understanding who is actively hiring or involved in this field. Moreover, you're not limited to just job listings. The search results may also reveal virtual assistant services, groups dedicated to this profession, and much more. This broad spectrum of information can be invaluable, letting you dive deeper into the industry and its many facets. To ensure you're making the most of your search, make it a point to be curious. When you scroll to the bottom of the results, you'll find an option labeled Show All. Go ahead and tap this to explore all expanded details of your search. While you might notice tabs at the top of your results page, remember that a lot of the useful information is already laid out for you in the main search results. This means you might not need to rely on those tabs as much, unless you're searching for something very specific. And there you have it, a simple method to conduct an advanced job search on LinkedIn Mobile. By tapping into these resources, you can efficiently seek out job opportunities and expand your professional network right from your smartphone. If you found this video helpful, remember to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon so you don't miss any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your job search.